Lahko bi rekli, da lev dlako menja, Peugeot pa ne, pa bi se zlagali. Nedavno so pri Peugeotu zamenjali logotip, da bi bil ta bolj prijazen tudi digitalnim medijem. Sočasno so zamenjali oziroma osvežili skoraj celotno paleto. In ko se je že zdelo, da je delo pri koncu, so ugotovili, da je nastala vrzel med modeloma 508 in 3008. Vanj so umestili novi model 408. In če mislite, da je manjši od modela 508, se motite. Ja, večji je.
Dolžino namreč meri kar 4,69 metra, hkrati v avtomobilski zgornji srednji razred prinaša nekakšno oblikovno osvežitev, saj je različica Fastback prvi takšen model v zgodovini znamke. Je 408 potem takem napoved novega oblikovalskega jezika pri Peugeotu?
For this car, that's true that we change a little bit the design language. We're really talking about a very specific object, unusual. It's an unusual object, so it was important for us to dedicate an unusual design to this unusual object, unusual concept. But in design, there's two things. There is the graphic thematic of the design and the design treatment, the design language. On this car, everything is new because the design treatment is very specific. It's more, at Peugeot, we used to balance our design language with sharp areas and soft areas. I can give you the example of the last 308. Some areas are very sharp around the headlamps, but the rest of the body remains quite soft, voluptuous. And this is the combination of what is a Peugeot, this balance. On this car, we wanted to go a little bit farther. So this car is more, in terms of design treatment, is more mild. Sometimes I talk about design, diamond facetting, to create some surfaces that plays with the light, to absorb the global volume of this car, which is unusual for a sedan. We're talking about something more expressive, more impressive. So it was important for us to dedicate both the design thematic and design language to the very specific concept of this car.
A pri novi obliki je vedno tako, da je nekaterim všeč, drugim pač ne. Marsikdo bo imel pomisleke zaradi zadka in črne plastične obrobe.
So when you combine a generous length of overhang plus an unusual height you have to change the way you design the car. And if you want to give dynamism to the car, we since the beginning we knew that we could play with those protection trims and make them become a quite impressive black bumper to divide the color between body color and the black of the bumper to increase the inverted effect of the tail.
Novi Peugeot 408 bo luč sveta predvidoma ugledal v začetku prihodnjega leta. Ob začetku proizvodnje bodo kupci lahko izbrali bencinski motor in pa dva priključno hibridna motorja. Proti koncu prihodnjega leta pa bo na trg seveda prišla tudi električna različica.